Hello everyone, Justin here and welcome back to another Bizmates for Beginners video lesson where every week we introduce a new idiom, phrase, or expression that you can use in your daily business conversation. This week everyone, we are going to cover to get the ball rolling. So, to find out what this means and how to use it, please stay tuned. But first, as always, let's start with a quick review. Okay everyone, so imagine I said, I think I need to come to the office again this weekend. But because you are very kind and you're worried about my health, you think I should really relax and take it easy and enjoy life sometimes. So, how do you say that using the expression from last week? I'll give you 5 seconds to think about it. Are you ready? Okay, go. All right, and time is up. If you said again, Justin, you should really stop and smell the roses. Then that's exactly right. Well done, and thank you for remembering last week's class. Okay, everyone, let's move on to get the ball rolling. Now, this is what I sometimes hear. Okay, Taro, my good friend and colleague, and I, we're working on a new concept for a new project, and we've met many times to discuss the ideas and what we should do. So I asked Taro, Taro, should we meet again before we begin working on the project? I think we have to discuss many things. Taro says, well, I think we should start as soon as possible. Yes. Okay, so yeah, sometimes meeting too much isn't that great. Time is very important. So yes, maybe we should start as soon as possible. Now, although Taro said start, and I think that's okay, you might hear someone say this. I think we should get the ball rolling as soon as possible. Okay, it means to start something, to start moving the process forward. Okay, if you imagine the project as a ball and it's sitting there, it's not doing anything, so we want to make progress. We want to get the ball rolling. We want to move things forward. We want to start some new process or some new action, okay? So, to get the ball rolling. All right, so pronunciation, it's as you see it here, so please repeat after me. Get the ball rolling. Your turn. Very good. Okay, now, after my question, so, do you think we should meet again before we begin working on the project? Very good, that's right. Yeah, no, I think we met enough. Let's get the ball rolling. Let's get started. Okay? So, please remember this for next time. All right, everyone, our bonus question this week is another way to say high technology. So, for example, this phone is very high technology. I think there's a better way of saying it. If you know what the better expression is, please leave it in the comments below. If you don't know what it is, but you're interested, well, you are in luck because we covered it in one of our previous Bizmates for Beginners video lessons, so take a look if you have the time. Okay, everyone, so that is it for me this week. Thank you always for watching. Have a great weekend, everyone, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.